Number 58. Where did you lose me?
I don't know how you can add it into opposite.
Okay, so did it make sense going from here to here?
Yeah.
Yes. And from here to here, does that make sense? That's where I think you've struggled but in the past. So let's talk about this again. When you've got subtraction, I'm going to write it up here on top here. I'll write this space. Any subtraction, even nice straightforward ones, can always be re-expressed as adding the opposite. Subtracting 2 is the same thing as adding the opposite of 2. Subtracting 2 is the same thing as adding the opposite of 2. And the reason why we did that is because it transformed this slightly confusing problem into something a little more straightforward. Namely, we've got two negative numbers, we're adding them. We're going backward in both of these. 10 steps backward, 2 more steps backward, total of 12 steps backward. We can talk more about it later. (58). Let's make the substitutions. So I've got -2 for x, plus 5 for y, minus 3 or plus -3 for z. Downstairs, I've got 5 squared. Downstairs becomes 5 times 5 or 25. Upstairs becomes -2 plus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. And so the whole thing is 0. Last expression. Got -2 plus 5 in this first set of parentheses. 5 plus -3 in this second set of parentheses. -2 minus 5 plus -3 downstairs. Running out of room here, but -2 plus 5 is 3. 5 plus -3 is what? 5 plus -3 is the same as 5 minus 3, or 2. -2 minus 5 is the same as -2 plus -5. Just 2 steps back plus 5 more steps back. This is -7. -7 plus -3, that's 3 more steps back, that's -10. So this is -6/10, which is -5, or excuse me, 3/5.
Okay, but I have a different problem.